Wooden pallets. How to take these things apart, disassemble them quickly and cheaply without using any skill saws, hammers, or hydraulic floor jacks. They're real simple. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so I got an old galvanized pipe here. It's bent. It's one I had found laying around, and it takes me about 3.5 minutes to completely disassemble a pallet. I've done multiple ones. I've done all ones, big ones, different sizes, and they all are pretty much the same. Ones that are really rotten, this doesn't work very well because you just end up busting the boards completely apart, but I don't really need rotten wood pallets anyway. The whole purpose here is for me to reuse or repurpose the wood. So the main technique I'm attempting to use here is getting as close to the nails as I can, using the pallet's weight, and snapping the boards right out of the pallet. I'm always trying to find a leverage point to create the fulcrum and go where there's the most tension at. So therefore I'm not trying to pry against a piece that's loose. When I run out of boards that give me a really easy fulcrum, I just bring in a 2x4, lay in there, get as close as I can to the point, and again go to the side of the board that is the stiff area. Like, you don't want to be there, I want to be over to this side where it will give me a little tension, and I can apply some leverage to it. Some of these aren't really nails they use to put these together. They're some type of screw nail. Now, right here I'm trying to be a little crazy here because I'm attempting to get this thing out, and I'm not paying attention to the technique as well as I should, trying to find the leveraging point. But overall, keep in mind that completely take this thing apart in less than 4 minutes with nothing but a pipe, and later on I'll go back and take a hammer and knock out the nails and the screws. But it's really the simplest, quickest way I could find. You'll notice on some of these, I'll allow the pallet to lift up, and then as I go to drop it, I use its own weight to help snap it off. Anyway, I hope this video helps. If you're doing a lot of them, you might want to try to invest in some tool and do it. Maybe there's a better way. I just didn't want to buy. I only had 10 or 15 I needed to do, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. And this worked super great. So I hope this helps you guys. I appreciate it. Thanks.